let's talk about our VANLIFE electricity, no solar option. Okay, so what do we have here? This is a Promate 240 power station. Yes, so it comes with a box. It is solar compatible, eco-friendly, silent, and of course rechargeable. So why do I prefer this option, guys? Simple lang. I like it because it's so convenient. Aside from, in lieu of paying for the solar setup and all the electrical wirings and all, I opt for this since our consumption is only at a minimal. Since we only do van life on weekends, this can last up to 3 to 5 days. Okay, so this is a 400 watt inverter. It comes with 2 outlets. This is both 220. Also comes with a light switch there. And this one is for the USB. It can charge 3 phones there. And this is the indicator or the display panel. Look. The startup sound is like that. It's like a computer. Then there. That's the current. So if it goes 11 here, it's time to charge. It's the indicator that you need to charge. Now, this guy right here has a built-in automatic. It automatically shuts down if it goes 9. And of course, why I prefer this device here is because it has a car jumper. If you have a dead battery, it really helps. Can charge my camera and my laptop. See, it's charging, as well as my fan. And of course, I can attach an extension wire to it, and then we can use this for some lights. About the charging option, I can charge it to a 220. I can charge it to electric, to the Meralco, or in here in Dumaguete we call it the. I can charge this for 8 hours. I can also charge it to my van with the cigarette. And if I have a 60 watt panel, solar panel, that's the maximum for this device. Of course, I can also use that, but it's gonna take 8 hours. This device in handy, I'm confident that I can go on a 3 to 5 day trip. That's depending on my consumption. For van life weekenders like me who are not familiar with the electrical wirings, or who doesn't want to spend much on the setup, the solar setup, I recommend this device. It's pretty handy. And also, to those working from home, of course we can't prevent power outages. This is very dependable to you guys. You can use this for those working from home in case of power outage. And of course, for personal use, for your house, you can use it in case of power outage. By the way, our location for today's video is in Valencia. I hope you enjoy my short clip.